Hey guys, it feels like it's been ages, and that's because it is. I've just relocated to Las Vegas, Nevada, and ready to start doing some new videos again, so pretty excited. Today, we are going to work on kind of like a portfolio project, something that will kind of show off our tech skills. I want to work on something that's exciting to me. Something fun with technologies like real-time processing, full text search, machine learning, um, high concurrency. I want something really impressive that might translate into real-world value, hopefully. So not only for academic purposes, but maybe we'll build something that we can sell later. We'll see. I've got some bulletproof coffee here, and let's get started. So, in today's episode, we're just going to be planning, probably. We might scaffold out some simple stuff. Um, we'll see. So, in the project, I want it to be real time based. So, we need some kind of way to process real time data. I use Scala professionally. So I think we may just try and use Akka streams and see how that works for us. So we're going to use Akka streams. That requires the use of us using the Scala language. For full text search and sort of advanced logging, because I want to be able to log. This is going to be a sort of a sales pipeline type application, and I want to be able to have some insight into the conversion rates between different steps in our sales platform. I'm doing sales just because it's such a versatile. It's a really versatile type of system. It can be applied to a lot of different businesses. So let's put that up here. So app type is going to be sales. So full text search, advanced logging. Probably gonna close this. It's a beautiful day out there, but it's a little loud. So full text search and advanced logging, we're going to use Elastic Search. I think that's how you spell it with the upper camel case, so I might be wrong. What else do we want to use? Machine learning. We might work on tagging images, faces, or we could also, I think we could also do some kind of guessing on whether or not something's going to convert. So if we're at different stages in a sales pipeline, I'd like to be able to guess whether at that stage we'll be able to convert there. So I'm going to switch over to the desktop view so you guys can kind of see the notes I'm taking. So for tagging images and faces, we're going to use AWS services. I can't remember what the recognition. Maybe we'll stick with open source stuff. Mostly open source based. I'm planning this long live right now, guys. Don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we will know by the end of the episode. And I'd like to contribute to an open source project along the way. For fun, contribute to an open source project. So while we're working on this and we're using these open source projects to build our application, we can go dig through the issues or milestones in a GitHub project for our libraries we're using, and pick an issue that looks like you know, we could use that feature and just build it and submit a pull request, hopefully to a library that's got an active maintainer, and that would be pretty fun. What else? So for the front end, I want to use something I haven't used before. So, well, we had a quick video on this, but we're going to use the latest Angular. I don't even know what the version number of Angular is anymore. It changes, I think, a lot. So we're going to do that. What else can we do to make things interesting? Let's get rid of this mostly word. Just open source based. So it's all going to be free except for hosting at this point. Hopefully we can keep it that way. Yeah, I mean, I think this is good. I think this is a good start. I want a good dev environment, so we're going to have to build a service, mock data, live data mocker, that inserts data or pumps data through our services like it was in production, so that we can work on things as if we were working on live data, I guess. Okay, so it looks like we're going to need at least one Scala project. We're going to need an Elasticsearch installation. We're going to do everything locally for now. So we don't actually know, guessing conversion likelihood. We don't know yet. We're going to have to find a solution for this machine learning type stuff. I don't really know enough about that at the time of making this video to make a good call on that. So maybe you guys could actually help and leave something in the comments, and we can find a good software solution to use for that. This live data mocker, we'll probably do something really simple in like Node. We could use something else, but Node, that'll work. It's really simple to write stuff in Node, and it's not production code, so we don't have to worry about it going down as much. Okay, so I think with that we should get started. So let's get started on the concept of the business. So this is kind of our plan. These are our goals for this new video series. Let's talk about this business that we're creating. So I want a sales pipeline to be created. So let's say the pipeline starts at placing an ad on Google Ads, Google or Facebook. Let's make it complicated for now. Do it right in the beginning. We'll abstract out the logic behind, like logic unique to Google and Facebook, so that we can add new ad providers later. Sales pipeline. Can I make that bold? No. Placing an ad on Google, Facebook ads. Second step is user navigates to page with ad. Navigates. The third step is user clicks on ad, or maybe even, if we can see metrics on user seeing ad, that would be good. Might be possible. The fourth step is going to be user clicks on ad, and we're going to call users prospects. be more specific with our verbiage early on to prevent confusion later down the road. So we want other developers that work on our projects to know what's going on. So the prospect clicks the ad and they're taken to our page. Prospect is taken to landing page. Next, we don't know what our landing page is going to look like. ... 7, so they might read about our product. Maybe some A/B testing here. 7th is user clicks on buy button, buy order button. 8 is user fills in personal details. 9 is user fills in credit card details. And then 10 is user completes purchase. And then we're going to try and get the user to do something extra for us. And then that would be user posts our ads to their social media. And we'll have to think of something interesting to some interesting way to get users to do that. I don't know if we can do this. I don't know if the Facebook terms of service will allow us to do this, but if they do, that would be really great. Okay, so this is our plan here. Let's save that. This is our fun project battle plan. .text. Put that right there. Can you guys see everything on the screen? I will put it right there since my face is over there. Okay, cool. So pretty happy with this plan. I think the first thing we ought to do is build. I kind of want to build out a quick I want to see our dashboard as this fake business entity we are creating. So we're going to start off with the Angular project. I think I'm going to pause this video for now because I think we'll create a separate project or a separate video to create this Angular project in. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm happy to be back doing these videos. Thanks for watching the Code with Nate channel.